Hey, David, how come the credit score you pulled is so much lower than the score I'm seeing? I bet when you pulled it, it must have dropped my score a lot, right? Well, actually, there's a very good reason for why the credit scores you see on your credit card statements or sites like Credit Karma and MyFICO are a lot higher than when a mortgage lender pulls the report. And it has nothing to do with too many inquiries. Guess what? They are completely different reports. That's right, the credit bureaus sell their data in multiple formats of reports. So, depending on who is buying that data, the scores are going to be different based on the different items of importance to that type of creditor. There are different reports for auto loans, there's reports for credit cards, there's consumer reports that you can see, and then there's mortgage reports. Unfortunately, a mortgage report is often the lowest score of all of the various types of reports. So that's usually the biggest reason why you'll see a variance when applying to get pre-approved for a mortgage. Another myth is that having your credit pulled will drop your credit scores by a ton of points. And that's simply not true. You actually might only see a typical 2 to 3 point decrease from having your credit pulled, assuming you had a decent credit score to start. If you have very low scores to begin with, you might see a little bigger impact. Also, having your credit pulled by a second or even a third lender within the same 45-day window period now only counts as one inquiry on your score. So when shopping for a mortgage and getting pre-approved, you don't have to worry about speaking with just the first lender you came across. Feel free to speak to more than one, and it's okay to have your credit pulled. Now, going to Best Buy, opening up a store credit card, then going and buying a car and financing it, and then applying for a mortgage, all within that same 45 days is totally different. That will have a big negative impact on your score, not to mention the addition of new debt that must be accounted for in your qualification for a mortgage. Reach out with any questions you have about how credit really works and the best ways to quickly increase your scores before applying for a mortgage. Have a great day.